When the ashes left, don't throw it away. Leave it in the day. That is in the daylight. That is no daylight in the night. Overnight. Leave it in the open space overnight. And then once you leave it, you do it. You wait for 10 minutes. And then you'll be praying that anything in your body, as you'll be doing it. And then you bath. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how to use cassava leaves and lemon to treat body odor and also treat other spiritual energies that are hovering around our bodies, causing our body to smell, though we are treating it, but it doesn't go. Yes, for the physical method, I'm going to teach the physical first and then dive into the spiritual aspect, because some people's their odor from their body is not physical. They've treated it with any treatment they want to, but still they get the scent from their body, even though when they've taken their bath. Yes, I'm going to treat the natural one, the one you can naturally can evolve from your body. You use lime, you cut the lime into two. If you want it to be effective, cut the lime into two and split it open, leave it in the open space for the next day. Yes, in the evening when we are going to sleep, cut it open, leave it in the open space till the next morning. Then use it, open the surface, use it to rub all over your body and your armpit, everywhere over your body. So if one is not enough, cut about 3. Then you use it all your body, throw it away, use the another one. You'll be rubbing whole part of your body. Wait for, if it is physical odor, wait for about 5 minutes before you bath. When you wait for 5 minutes, you take your bath. Do it for just 7 days and see something. Do it for 7 days and see what will happen. If it is physical odor, it should vanish from your body. It should vanish from your body. But if it is not physical, then you might hear it again. So I'm just going to how to treat a spiritual odor from your body. Use cassava leaves. Use the red cassava. The one with the red stalk. Then get the one with 7 leaves. That is the 7 division of leaves. Get that one. When you get it, you are going to get ash, wood ash from your coal pot or from burn any firewood, and then you get ash. Yes. Then we are going to add a little amount of the of water to the ash to become paste. Yes. Once you are done, get enough of this leaves. Then squeeze it in between your palms to become what you like. There should be some amount of water evolving from it. You then dive it into the ash, the paste ash, and then you pray that any spiritual energy that is taking over your body, that is causing smell, odor in your body, when you go closer to people, they run away from you. You dive it in. You start from your body, wherever water can touch. Then you start. If you are a man, I will recommend you do it all over your head. But if you're a lady and can't do it all over your head, fine. If you're a man, do it all over your head and then your face. You dive it. You get cassava, the leaves. If this one spoil, you get another leaf. You dive it inside all your body. You dive it inside all your body. You dive it inside all your body. When the ashes left, don't throw it away. Leave it in the day. That is in the daylight. That is no daylight in the night. Overnight. Leave it in the open space overnight. And then once you leave it, you do it. You wait for 10 minutes. And then you'll be praying that anything in your body, as you'll be doing it. And then you bath. Once you bath away. You use, there is this kind of oil, the 6 flowers oil. You can use it to smell all over your body. You can use it to apply all over your body. Yes, that oil is recommended. You can use it all over your body. You then also in the morning you go and take the one you left it over in the night. Then you reapply it again. You repeat this for 7 days. And if it is any spiritual, once you finish bathing, you do it in the morning and in the evening. Once you finish bathing, use this 6 flowers oil to smell your body. That is, use it all over your body and then try it. So you need to get one 6 flower oil. Let me show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So you need to get one so that you can use it in your journey. You can finish all within that 7 days. It will be enough for you to use it. Yes. So kindly take this opportunity, subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. I'll be doing more videos about all these plant connectedness, things about plants, and then you'll be learning a lot. Subscribe to my channel. Sometimes there will be some ads on my video. Please, I beg you, don't skip immediately. Once it try to play, just leave it for about 15 seconds before you skip, to motivate us, because the only thing you reward us is to watch the ad for some time, and then YouTube will give us something for us to also do more videos. The more I get more money, the more I dive into the forest for more plants to also teach you. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. And I'll see you in the next video.